Today I share with you how to make that one pot of rice that will make everyone around you to ask for more. To begin, guys, I'm going to be frying this egg. First of all, I added a little bit of oil inside a pan, then add in this egg and get that fry. Don't forget to season your egg with a little bit of salt. Then fry that until you have something like this. So after frying that, all I do now is to just pack everything out from the pan. Don't proceed yet. You have to first of all bring all the egg out from the pan like this. So the egg fries so nice at this point. Just bring everything and keep it aside. The same pan, I'm going to be adding the remaining oil. Over here, I just adding the remaining oil. Next, I'm going to be adding this already cooked rice. Over here we have already cooked rice, guys. So if you have leftover rice, you can proceed with this recipe. All I do now is to stir the rice and the oil until it gets combined. Over here, I'm going to be adding this barbecue sauce. So after adding the sauce, all I do now is to add in this all-purpose seasoning, then season that with salt to taste and stir together. So you can as well use only that soy sauce if you don't have this barbecue sauce. So then stir everything together until it gets combined like this. What I add now is black pepper. I just add a little bit of it, then add in this dark soy sauce. So you can as well make use of only this if you don't have barbecue sauce. So that one is for flavor, guys. So just keep on stirring. You have to stir this with low heat, guys, so that your rice will not come and burn. Be stirring all the way because this is just a fry one pot of rice. So I get that stir until I have something like this. Next, I'm going to be adding this green beans and carrots, onions I chop together, then adding this chicken. Over here is chicken breast, guys. So already fried chicken breast. I just get rid of the bone and bring out the fresh. So get everything stirred to get that. My people, this time it don't descend water. Now that I add next is this red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. Then add in the egg I bring out before and stir together. Where you dey now? You don't share this video. Everyone go say I want chop again. You have to serve me this food because they not go fit chop only one plate go. No, they go chop and reach two. It too sweet. Very simple, guys. So guys, you have to stir until everything gets cooked and nice. This is just a stir fry rice. Just stir that for 20 to 30 minutes before you can off the heat. At this point, my people, the rice don't descend now. It don't descend everywhere. Was so nice. I get that 30 minutes later. This is what I have. Look at that. This is just so simple to get done. You can eat this rice anytime, any day. Like it can serve you in any occasion. At this point, it's ready for us to enjoy. I just dish out for us to enjoy. My people, share this video and follow this process to make amazing food for your family. This is just one pot of rice. You are going to love it. You know the stress. Only when you just enter kitchen, get this done. Everyone around you will happy for you because it's so delicious. If you love this recipe, share this recipe and try this for your family. It's going to be amazing. Look at me enjoying this rice now. Just look at me. Every bit of this rice is given, every bit of it. It was so nice. So guys, share this video in my next one. Don't forget to try it out. Bye bye.